capacity building for health screening. So if we want to have health screening, how are we going to build up that team so that there are lots of opportunities to get the health screening done of the students in the school? So how are we going to build up this capacity? How are we going to build up this team who is going to look after the health of the students? This includes training of health department staff to be involved in health screening. So that means there is a need to train the staff of the health department in order to carry out the procedure of health screening in schools. Training of teachers. Not only the health department officers and staff need this training, also the teachers also need this training in order to carry on the process of health screening in schools. Also, provision of a toolkit to schools consisting of training and resource materials. Also, a kit should be provided to the school which has pamphlets and leaflets on which the training and the resource material is given for the teachers and the school staff to follow. Also, it should have all those messages which are related to health and nutrition written down so that the students and the teachers can be made aware of those messages. Resource manuals, audiovisual aids, and guidebooks. So there are so many audiovisual aids these days which can be provided as resource materials to the schools so that the teachers and the students, they are all aware of what is going on relating to health screening in the school. So audiovisual aids and guidebooks can help the students and teachers to find out about the health screening process and also to cover up and follow up the procedures which are needed to keep them safe from any type of health issue. Also, the diseases should be given in the guidebooks and how to prevent those diseases and how to be referred to a hospital or a laboratory should also be mentioned there. All the stages which are required after the health screening should also be mentioned in the resource books and guidebooks. And also through the audio-visual aids, there can be many examples which can show the students how the health screening is taking place, how is it helping the students to identify the diseases, and how to get rid of these diseases. So all these things can be shown through the audio-visual aids, which are very common these days.